Well, the undocumented immigrant suspected of driving drunk and killing Indianapolis Colts player Edwin Jackson, along with an Uber driver, is facing both federal and local charges.
Manuel Orrego-Savala has been charged with driving while intoxicated, as well as fleeing the scene of an accident. He's also facing a federal charge related to coming back to the country after being deported. Dean Reynolds has been looking into the suspect's criminal history and is outside Lucas Oil Stadium, home of the Indianapolis Colts.
Edwin Jackson was looking forward to playing football here next season, but now his alleged killer's 2 deportations and many run-ins with the law are coming under intense scrutiny. Manuel Orrego-Savala denied driving the truck that killed Indianapolis Colts linebacker Edwin Jackson during his first court appearance yesterday. The Guatemalan citizen gave police a different name at the time of his arrest, Alex Cabrera Gonzalez, and a different country of origin, Mexico. Investigators say the 37-year-old suspect, with a blood alcohol level 3 times Indiana's legal limit, plowed a pickup truck Sunday into Jackson's Uber car that had pulled onto the shoulder of Interstate 70. Jackson and his driver, Jeff Monroe, both died at the scene.
You have never seen a picture of Edwin Jackson and he wasn't smiling.
Attorney Daniel Meacham is Jackson's godfather and his family's spokesman.
They've lost a son that brought them joy on a regular basis. Where this gentleman was from does not really matter to them. They're not interested in the politics of it.
In 2005, Orrego-Savala pleaded no contest to 2 drunk driving charges in California. A year later, he was arrested 3 times for drug possession. Those convictions likely helped lead to his first deportation in 2007. And about 6 months before Sunday's deadly crash, prosecutors in nearby Boone County said Orrego-Savala was convicted of driving without ever receiving a license. There was no requirement his arrest be reported to federal immigration officials. Claire Corrado leads the Indiana Immigration Law Group.
Is this usual that someone would have been deported twice and would have come back for a 3rd time?
It certainly does happen. I think any tragedy leads us to ask what if. In this case, one of those what ifs is if he'd never been here.
Orrego-Savala could face up to 10 years in prison if convicted on the federal immigration charges alone. Meanwhile, the family of Edwin Jackson is planning a funeral for Monday in Atlanta, which will be paid for by Colts owner Jim Irsay. Vlad, Anne-Marie.
All right, Dean Reynolds for us. Thank you, Dean. Still to